Timmy!
I got sugar.
Bobby,
sugar.
come. Bobby. Come here now.
Yeah.
Go sleep. Everyone, it's sleeping time.
Okay.
If you don't come here, Timmy, if you don't come here, you're not going to watch Cocomelon.
I'm the biggest brother.
Motherfuckers.
Timmy, Bobby,
Timmy!
no Cocomelon
Come
for
on,
you.
Timmy, you got a present for you. Come on, Timmy.
Go right there.
Okay.
We're going to sleep. Give me that. Give me that. Let me go make him some dinner, bro. Let me make... Oh, I need to go get some groceries. Hold up. Let's check if I have some spicy spaghetti. Yeah, I got. I'm gonna prank him.